How mattresses are made. What is the best thing you want when you come back to your room after a tiresome and hectic working day? The answer may be shower or food or anything else, but in most of the cases, it will be a comfortable bed or mattress. In most cases, we have data. Your sleeping comfort largely controls the working stamina for your next day, and, for your long-time health benefit, a good mattress that can ensure a sound sleep is a vital thing. The mattress making procedure varies from type to type. For better understanding, you should know the basics of different types of mattresses. There are around 15 types of mattresses available on the market right now. The innerspring mattress is the most common mattress used all over the world. A steel coil support system is the key component of an innerspring mattress. Manufacturers offer several sorts of spring systems. You will get some of them where springs are connected into a single unit and units with individually wrapped pocketed coils. The difference between them is determined by the designs, numbers of coil, spring shapes, and coil gauge. The inner spring is covered by sort of padding or any other upholstery materials like fiber, foams, or even smaller steel spring layers. Support and strength largely depend on the number of coils. Memory foam mattress is a sensational addition to the mattress world. It's mainly made of using the polyurethane as the support system. In addition to that, different types of chemicals are added to increase the density and velocity of the mattress. People sometimes call it low-resilience polyurethane foam or viscoelastic polyurethane foam. In a memory foam mattress, the foam contours pretty close to the body shape of the sleeper. In reaction to the sleeper's body heat, the memory foam mattress gets softened, and within few minutes, permits it to mold to a warm body. Memory foam mattress is a sensational addition to the mattress world. It's mainly made of using the polyurethane as the support system. In addition to that, different types of chemicals are added to increase the density and velocity of the mattress. People sometimes call it low-resilience polyurethane foam or viscoelastic polyurethane foam. In a memory foam mattress, the foam contours pretty close to the body shape of the sleeper. In reaction to the sleeper's body heat, the memory foam mattress gets softened, and within few minutes, permits it to mold to a warm body. A gel memory foam mattress is known as gel mattress. Sometimes it's called as the visco foam mattress. It's far a bit different compared to the regular memory foam mattress. An original gel mattress is made from visco foam and gel particles. Using a specific type of technology, the gel is added to the foam. The combination of the two increase airflow and reduces the mattress heat. Nowadays, many people know about the memory foam mattress and gel foam mattress, but good numbers of them want like to buy an all-foam mattress. For them, a hybrid mattress is the best choice. A hybrid mattress is made by combining two or more support systems. There you will find an inner spring system covered by memory foam layers. Both category benefits will be available for you. You will receive a great experience of the pressure-relieving advantages of memory foam as well as a classic feel of an inner spring system mattress. Airbed mattress is a portable and multi-purpose mattress unit. For its support system, it uses an adjustable air chamber. An airbed is usually covered by upholstery materials or padding, not like the traditional mattress padding and a blank airflow chamber inside it. You just need to fulfill the chamber with air when necessary to make it a full mattress. Waterbed mattresses are more likely the airbed system without that much portability. There is a water chamber inside the rectangular frame of the mattress what you need to fill with the water. It looks like a traditional bed mattress that fits in any of the existing standard size rooms. Making a waterbed mattress can be done in two ways, that is making the soft-sided beds and the hard-sided beds.